So we're here in Arundel Castle, and it's a very nice castle. They've done a lot to it. You can see where they redid things. You can see things that are actually almost 1,000 years old. The castle grounds are well kept.
Yeah, they're beautiful. The gardens themselves. We've never been to a castle where I would live there, but I would live here. This is beautiful. The fountains are amazing. And then today they have a bunch of fun activities. Yeah, they're practicing archery and they're throwing axes and there's sword fighting and just lots of other activities for people. So it's a really busy day, but it was a discounted day. The price for everything was, what, $54 for 2 people? And that's a discount. So we don't know how much it is in a normal day, but we can put the link below. All right, now we're headed to tour the inside of the castle.
Yep, see where they lived like long ago.
All right, let's go. Hiya! As you can probably tell, we're back here in the UK. We're super excited today because we're going to the Arendelle Castle. It's a special day. They have some different events going on, maybe some knights fighting and things. So we're excited to go check it out. It's about an hour drive and we're running a little late, so we gotta go. We'll see you there. Looking for parking. We made it to the castle. It looks awesome. The whole castle wall has these fancy, what are they, arrow? Very cool. I'm sure we'll learn more about it inside, but we can't actually get in here. So if you can see the sign, it says that the car park is that way. We didn't know, we just looked for parking, we parked, we walked up the hill, and we gotta go back. But anyway, we made it. We're gonna go find the car park, and then hopefully after that we can start the tour.
This is the Arendelle Castle. No, not that Arendelle. This castle is almost 1,000 years old. The Earl of Arendelle, Roger de Montgomery, one of William the Conqueror's trusted allies, started construction in 1067. Perched atop a hill in West Sussex, it is one of the oldest and most continuously inhabited country houses in England. This was once a medieval bowling green. Now it's an elegant rose garden filled with old-fashioned English roses. Speaking of medieval times, today is a special day at the Arendelle Castle, where reenactments are occurring throughout the castle walls.
Everywhere is so cute. Everywhere we look, we're on our way to the restrooms, but we keep stopping at these fountains and beautiful cathedrals, and just the sights are amazing. We can't help ourselves. It's pretty.
Located inside Arundel Castle walls is the Fitzalan Chapel. Construction started in the late 1300s. It's evolved from a place of worship to a tomb of remembrance. It's the final resting place for every Duke and Duchess of Norfolk ever since.
Oh, this is a fig tree there. It even has figs. They're not ripe.
So we're going to go inside here in a little bit to see how the bedrooms and stuff look inside the castle. That doesn't open up for another 10 minutes.
And it's really cool because the whole castle wall seems to be intact. So we get the real experience of what it was like to live within castle walls. All right, now we're headed to tour the inside of the castle.
Yep. See what they lived like long ago.
All right, let's go. How narrow this is? Side to side.
Again, Elaine doesn't like heights. They use these special rocks to build these walls way back when.
I didn't know that. Interesting. Okay, so this is a garter robe. It's an old-fashioned toilet. There would have been a wooden seat somewhere here, and then if you look down, it just goes outside the castle wall.
For the people who were up here on guard all the time, they couldn't get back down to the bathrooms.
Yeah, so if you had to stay up here and you couldn't leave the castle unprotected, then you just popped in here very quickly.
Went to the loo.
Yeah. The view from the castle. So the lookout from the, I think it's called the Keep, was one of the coolest parts. It was beautiful. You could see the whole town. You could see the fields and the cows, and just amazing, beautiful. But the stairs to get up were so narrow and so steep. Like some of them were as tall or as deep as my knee. And it was really hard. Everyone was having a hard time turning and going up at the same time, and then going down was really scary as well. So it was quite interesting. The chapel was interesting. There's not really room in there anymore for services or prayer things. A lot of the space is taken up by all of the family's tombs, so it's turned more into like a shrine or a tomb. Overall, we loved it. We had a wonderful time. It's a bit warm today. It was nice to be in the tower because the stones are cold, but our parking's up and we gotta head out of here. All right, now to go check out a pub. Really old rocks, not even like cobblestone. There's cobblestone. How old has this town been? We are at the cutest little town. We're gonna have this Sunday roast meal over here. Honeycomb ice cream on a chocolate, like what is this, macadamia nut or something? Cookie? Oh, it's hot. It's melting the ice cream. Bon appetit.
All right, thank you for joining us. Remember, I'm Steven. This is my wife, Elaine. And from us here at the castle, have a sturdy
and elegant travels. Bye!
Be free.